Watch till end. I hope you're doing well. In this video I am going to show you how to install and use AutoPost in multiple groups web extension. Click on right corner. Click on More Tools and then click on Extension. Now first turn on Developer mode. Click on Load Unpacked. Select File and open it. Now turn off the developer mode. Open new tab. First pin extension. Now click on extension. Name the groups. And save. Click on link. Now go to Facebook and copy video or image link. Click on Add Post. Paste link and wait for 5 seconds. Click on Add Post. Now change 5 into 3 and 25 into selected groups you have, for example 50, 100 or 150, etc. Click on Start and wait until the post shared to all groups. Don't select more than 50 groups, there is risk of account ban. Thanks for watching. Like, share and follow my page.